And here are 5 essential Premiere Pro shortcuts. Number 1, Control or Command plus Z. This shortcut used for undo. This basic shortcut allows you to revert your last action, which is crucial for making mistakes while you're editing in Premiere Pro. Number 2, Control or Command plus Shift plus Z. The shortcut works for redo anything. After using undo, the shortcut will redo the action you reserved. Number 3, Control or Command plus K. Add edit. The shortcut cuts the selected clip in two at the playhead position, making it easier to insert other clips or adjust the timeline. Number 4, Shift I for go to in and Shift plus O for go to out. The shortcuts quickly move the playhead to the designated in or out point of a clip, making it easier to pinpoint specific frames. And here's the last one, Control or Command plus Shift plus K. Add edit to all tracks. The shortcut cuts all clips under the playhead in the timeline, useful for making consistent edits across multiple tracks.